Unlock the secrets of wholesale business. Legitimacy, trust, and benefits await you. Stay tuned to learn more. A wholesale license allows you to buy in bulk without paying sales tax. Imagine the savings. Though not always required, having a wholesale license legitimizes your business. It builds lasting trust with manufacturers. Do you plan to sell directly to consumers? If so, a seller's permit is a must-have for your venture. Understanding the difference between a wholesale license and a reseller's permit is crucial. It's about your business's intent. Obtaining a wholesale license is straightforward, but requirements vary by location. Always check your local regulations beforehand. To apply for a wholesale license, start by registering your business. Choose your legal classification, it's essential. Next, secure your employer identification number, or IN. This serves as your tax ID, critical for your operations. If direct sales are in your plan, don't forget about the seller's permit. Requirements differ, so research thoroughly. Gather all necessary information before applying. Details like your business name, owner's info, and taxpayer ID are essential. Remember, application fees can vary widely. Always be prepared for surprises based on your location and industry. Different industries have distinct regulations, particularly those handling sensitive products. Stay informed to avoid legal snags. inFlow's software makes managing your wholesale business a breeze. Track stock, process orders, and simplify your operations. With inFlow, seamlessly integrate various tools, adjust pricing, and even create a private sales portal for clients. Ready to elevate your wholesale business? Let inFlow guide you to success with efficient management solutions.